Other movie.
But now I want to take one, but look right over my head. Look right over my head, Chris. Over my head, because I don't want the red eye to get you. I love it.
You're so sexy.
I dare to go show Jeremiah.
Corey. You're next, fag.
Look right past me.
Yeah, not till tomorrow, though.
I think Chris enjoys this too much.
He's not as calling. You can't make a living at a respectable job? Oh, you too.
Mom, look, though, look. I got nipples.
How'd you do that? And they're crooked.
They are? Oh, man. I can't get my leg over.
Oh, well, you better put your business tight up in there.
I feel like I'm ready to go dancing now, like. On your shoulder. Ready? Yeah, I can do like this, dude. Like this. Woo! Oh yeah, well, shorts.
Now y'all know what women suffer through.
Like my hairy chest.
Well, some women have more hair than that on their chest.
These things are aggravating. Itches. Show your bra.
Watch, Chris, your cotton's sticking out.
Okay. Baboon fella. I missed the lava.
Oh, y'all could be in Hustler or something.
The Guidry twins.